Quiz on Vijayanagar and Bahmani Kingdom. Who among the following was the founder of Vijayanagar Kingdom? Saluva Narasimha, Veer Narasimha, Thirumal, Harihar and Bukka. The right answer is Harihar and Bukka. Became the king of Tuluva dynasty after the assassination of Imadi Narasimha. Saluva Narasimha, Veer Narasimha, Thirumal, Krishna Devaraya. The right answer is Veer Narasimha. Who among the following Bahmani king married to the daughter of Devaraya first? Sultan Quli Hamdani, Yusuf Adil Khan, Ahmad Shah Wali, Firoz Shah Bahmani. The right answer is Firoz Shah Bahmani. How many kingdoms ruled over Vijayanagar? 4, 5, 6, 7. The right answer is 4. Who among the following ruler adopted Gajbetkara, the elephant hunter? Devaraya first, Devaraya second, Harihar, Bukka. The right answer is Devaraya second. Which of the following traveller visited in the court of Harihar first? Ibn Battuta, Niccolo di Conti, Abdul Razak, Domingo Pais. The right answer is Ibn Battuta. Which of the following foreign traveller visited in the court of Devaraya II? Ibn Battuta, Niccolo di Conti, Abdul Razak, Domingo Pais. The right answer is Abdul Razak. Which Vijayanagar ruler followed Vaishnavism? Krishna Devaraya, Veer Narasimha, Thirumal, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Who among the following ruler maintained friendly relation with Albuquerque, the Portuguese governor? Krishna Devaraya, Veer Narasimha, Thirumal, all of the above. The right answer is Krishna Devaraya. Which ruler of the Vijayanagar had sent his ambassador to the Emperor of China? Saluva Narasimha, Krishna Devaraya, Bukka first, Harihar first. The right answer is Bukka first. Who were the Ashtadiggaj in the court of Krishna Devaraya? 8 advisors, 8 great generals, 8 Telugu poets, 8 ministers. The right answer is 8 Telugu poets. The rulers of Vijayanagar promoted Telugu, Urdu and Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu and Sanskrit, Malayalam, Tamil and Sanskrit, Hindi, Marathi and Sanskrit. The right answer is Tamil, Telugu and Sanskrit. Where is the famous Virupaksha temple located? Srikalahasti, Hampi, Chidambaram, Bhadrachalam. The right answer is Hampi. Bijapur is known for its estate of Gomteshwar, Gol Gumbaj, Rock Temple, heavy rainfall. The right answer is Gol Gumbaj. The founder of Bahmani kingdom was Tajuddin Firoz Shah, Alauddin Bahman Shah, Ahmad Shah, Quli Qutub Shah. The right answer is Alauddin Bahman Shah. The most important cause of the downfall of the Vijayanagar Empire was weak successors of Krishnadevara, rebellion of the Hindu feudatories, unity among the Muslim rulers of Bijapur, Golconda and Ahmednagar, rivalries within the empire. The right answer is unity among the Muslim rulers of Bijapur, Golconda and Ahmednagar. Who was given the title of Andhra Kavita Pitamaha? Pedana Srinath Madhav Sayan. The right answer is Pedana. The city of Jaunpur was founded in the memory of Akbar, Firoz Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. The right answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The Bahmani kingdom was founded in the year 1336, 1338, 1347, 1361. The right answer is 1347. Who among the following ruler built the famous Gol Gumbaj? Ismail Adil Shah, Yusuf Adil Shah, Mahmud Gawan, Mahmud Adil Shah. The first dynasty of the Vijayanagar kingdom was Hoysala, Saluwa, Tuluwa, Sangam. The right answer is Sangam. When Babur invaded India, who was the ruler of Vijayanagar Empire in South India? Krishnadevara, Sadashivaraya, Devrai II, Saluwa Narasimha. The right answer is Krishnadevara. The Bahmanis of the Deccan rose to prominence in which of the following centuries? 13th century, 14th century, 15th century, 12th century. The right answer is 14th century. Taraf in the Bahmani kingdom signified gold coin, transit tax, lord grant, province. The right answer is province. A Forgotten Empire written by the renowned historian Robert Swell about which of the following empires? Maurya Empire, Kushan Empire, Mughal Empire, Vijayanagar Empire. The right answer is Vijayanagar Empire. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.